Expect to hit triple digits yet again, so we're going through another round of it. I kind of like this image of me. It looks like I'm an angel. Okay, moving on now to your forecast instead of us singing. Something to keep in mind, but as you can see with your future tracker, high pressure really starts to position itself over California. So even into this weekend, it looks like we're going to see the strongest of this ridge. As you can see by Sunday in the area, that's when we're going to see our most intense temperatures. Some places hitting 109 even. Looking at the satellite radar in the past few hours, we do see that monsoon moisture coming in from the south, some yellow indicating thunderstorms associated with that. Looking at where we sit right now, Bakersfield at 77. It's a little bit off to a warmer start. Again, air quality in that moderate range. Our wind speeds coming in the northeast at 5 miles per hour. Humidity percentage at 32%. It's a little on the lower side, or dew point a little bit on the higher side, not quite 50. Might not feel too uncomfortable today. As this high pressure system moves out, the low pressure system moves just above us. That's what's causing us to see windier conditions that will go into our Tuesday. High pressure just off the west. I do want to show you your wind future tracker. So as you play throughout your Monday, it's going to get a little breezy as we go into our afternoons. They're going to pick up a little bit more. It doesn't look like it goes too far, exceeding 35 to 40 miles per hour. Looking at our wind future tracker, why we're concerned about fire danger? Well, as you go into your Thursday evening, it's very much widespread, seeing 35 to 40 mile per hour winds, and then it kind of starts to calm down a little bit more, but still an issue, especially for mountain passes, something we're going to watch out for, especially for the next 24 hours. And as our wind speeds increase, so does fire danger, unfortunately. So we do see those high to extreme areas popping up throughout our desert areas and our mountain communities as well. Warm, very hot as usual, and something we've been seeing the last few days as well. Something else that's very unfortunate for us as well is the Dixie Fire, and those fires burning up north are really starting to impact really most of our state and other parts of the country as well. So we do see the smoke in Kern County lasting us at least till Sunday as far as the smoke forecast can see. So again, seeing another round of hazy conditions, not great air quality for not just sensitive groups, but for everyone too. Dave Rochelle, I'm just outside the studio right now, and I did have a little bit of cloud coverage from the sun. That's not what's happening anymore, but it is brutal out. We are seeing those peak temperatures. So today I went around different parts of Bakersfield using this guy. This is a thermo gun, and we shot different places, different surface areas, trying to see just how hot they were. We went to the skate park, we went to the playground, we even checked out some of our news cars. And with this, we were able to see that those surfaces were almost double the outside temperature. Another summer day, another round of triple digits. So, how do you beat the heat?
Oh, probably water parks.
I'll probably staying inside or drinking water.
Others needed something a little sweeter to get through the day.
We love to come here and have ice cream, but also just to hang out inside and enjoy the AC.
What's your favorite? My favorite is strawberries.
Oh, probably birthday cake. And also cotton candy. I can't really decide.
For here, it's definitely English toffee. What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
I don't know.
Chocolate?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, chocolate.
Over at Beach Park, there wasn't a soul in sight. What is this slide?
120.
We even tested our news car. When you're driving, you're gonna grab that handle. That handle is clocking in at 130 degrees. So keep that in mind when you go to open your door. But the skate park just down the street from our news station saw a few boarders.
Well, for me, I'm a little bit older, so I wake up early in the morning, unlike the young bucks. And so I adjust to the, I acclimate for each day. I drink a gallon of water solid. I'll probably be on 2 gallons today.
Even this metal table clocked in at 127, and this was in the afternoon when we hadn't even hit peak temperatures yet.
But this is killer. I'm dying right now.
All right, I will be out here come 6 o'clock. We're actually going to be using this little guy right here. We're going to check different surfaces just in our parking lot. So we'll look at those car handles, the doors, the steering wheel, the concrete, the sidewalk, looking at just how hot it is as we get into the peak temperatures coming into the 5-6 o'clock hour. But for now, reporting in Bakersfield, Erin Roney, Eyewitness News.